Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Surya Shriyan Stories. Today, guess where I'm going? I'm going to Niagara Falls Christmas lights at Clifton Hill. Look at how bright they are. Look at all of them. Wow, there's a Ferris wheel. There's some more cars and a traffic light. But we're on the way. But you just saw that. Look at that gold lantern, which is so cool. Wow, some people are inside it. Look, this is winter, right? So all the leaves fell down and they put the lightings on the trees. See how pretty they are. A UK flag was also on that one. Look at the gold and blue trees. Look, they're so sparkly. The blue ones look like they're purple. No, that one's purple. Guys, Niagara Falls is only 1 hour to my house, but it took us 2.5 hours to get there. Oh, look at that. It's like a fountain, but it's just with lights. A rainbow. Look, there's a very big tree over there. Looks like a Christmas tree. There it is. And some other Christmas trees. Oh, gold and blue ones. There's a purple and gold one over there. Look, this is the rainbow close. It says, "Welcome to Niagara Falls." But it only has red, green, and blue. We're looking at Niagara Falls from the roadside in our car. Look at it. Like it's, oh, some deer. Look at the angels near the big tree. It looks like they're doing something. Okay, we got another and some more angels with some small red trees. Look at Niagara Falls. Now it's all focused by rainbow lights. Or maybe there's so many lights focusing the water. Look, it's like a rainbow. It's so cool. Look at that rainbow Christmas tree-like thing over there. It's very big. Look, there's some other pink, red, green, white, and a gold one. Look at that. It's like green, red, and look at the building. It's fully decorated with Christmas lights. It's so cool. Even the building is decorated. Not only the trees, not only some stands, even the building. Like everyone is going in there for the bathroom or if they want to do something else. Like, look at the candy canes and the gingerbread man house. It also has some lights. Like, everything here, non-living, almost everything has lights. This is like Niagara Falls lighting world. Weird, right? Oh, look, there's an elf. It's so crowded here, too. Look at the bush. Even the bush is colored with lights. Now look, it's Niagara Falls again. But now it's not rainbowy. It's getting different colors and back to black like that. And cars are passing through, so it won't let us see. So many people came to see. It's so crowded. Everyone came to watch. That's why it took 2.5 hours for me to go. Oh my goodness. Look at the garden. It looks like a garden. And it looks like that fountain is there. And look at all the flowers. They're making a kind of design, which is cool. Those are all lighted. You see it rained? That's why it's a bit blurry here. See, you can see it. See, all the light places is blurry. Still blurry. Look at the daddy bear and the baby bear. They look like they're walking to me because the car is moving, but they're just there. Some people are going out to look for them. Look at the baby bear. He's so cute. Okay, now there's some more trees and decorations. Wait, what's that? It's a soldier on a horse. Some of them are all grouped together and one back there. It looks like a person is there. There's a swan over here. Look at, now we're at the fireworks. It's my favorite part because we had to go to the bathroom, only we missed some of them. There's like a laser light, that green thing. Look at the fireworks. They're like boosting. There's very cool fireworks in Niagara Falls. Look, they're exploding. I didn't know how a firework is even made, but they're so explodey and so colorful. Look, they even affect everything around it. Like, it's fireworky. It's so fun to see and watch fireworks. This is Niagara Falls very close. It's very foggy. That thing that's foggy is called mist. When the water goes down from such a height, it makes all this foggy stuff. But if you're high enough and you're lucky enough, then you can get out of the mist because it doesn't go very high. And you can see the waterfall. Niagara Falls is so fun to see. They're flashing the color blue on the water. The water is blue, but it's not bright as that. Look at the mist. It's not that bright. See? It's darker than that. Look at that blue thing over here. That's the thing that focuses the light and puts it on the water. You can see it in the water. See, it's focusing it. Someone monitors the light on the water and changes the colors so the rainbow color happens. This is a red and green color. Red and green mixed to make brown. That's why it's also kind of browny and orangey. Because the red is just losing its color a little when mixing with the green. Look at that car. It's fully decorated with Christmas lights. Whoa, it's a rainbow car. And there's a Ferris wheel. I hope you enjoyed watching Christmas lights in Niagara Falls. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys. If you have time, do please visit Niagara Falls. It's so fun. It's very good. I had a wonderful time